Man, I was depressed, I was anxious, I was out on tour, and I felt like I was washed up, like my career was done. And so I just went back to the beginning where I started, when I started producing for myself, and I picked up that little microphone, and this melody came to mind, and I started recording. It was like and then I put the distortion pedal on, and I made it sound like this. And that's when I started getting my courage back. I started remembering, yo, as long as I'm alive, as long as I got breath in my lungs, I still got a chance. See, I ain't done until I say I'm done. And guess what? I ain't done. I might turn up by myself. Hey, no, I don't need opinion. No, I did this for myself. For myself, hey, hey, yeah. I believe in me the way that I used to. I believe in me. That's all you need to do. Take the DRC, $1 million merch. That's what I'm feeling like. Yeah, my problem big, but I know God way bigger. What you expect once you level up? Don't you know the boss is bigger? Yeah, used to spend a lot of time daring myself. Then I spent a lot of time comparing myself, turning to the doubt, then the fear of myself, overthinking to the point I wasn't pairing myself. Now I know why Chappelle went missing. Now I know why Brick got the Clippers. Now I know why Ye started tripping. The pressure and the expectation get ya. Oh hell, if they don't like it, I might turn up by myself.